We're back. Happy Sunday. Later in the afternoon, I told Chef Frankie about the lighting. This is what we got. This is a copy of the atomic light that everybody sees as on-scene TV. This is from Amazon. It is called a JUSLIT, if I pronounce the name right. And it's made in China. And I'll show you what it comes with. We get not one light, we get two lights. Now Chef Frankie told me he had these charged in the daylight, so they're already charged. In the back, like the atomic, you have the middle is off, light bright, high bright. Also with these, it comes with the self screws, the plastic anchor, which means you have to drill into the wood and put this through. But Chef Frankie went ahead and got wood self-tapping screws. So we're going to give this a try. Now, I got a cordless drill. We're going to see if it works. So, I'll be right back. As you can see, it goes up there. And what it is the light has a sensor. And you want that sensor to be down here on the ground. So, let me show you. See if you can get that in there. This right here is the sensor. Now it says it goes out like this, 10 to 25 feet. Well, it's not far. So, if you need, have your safety glasses. Need some gloves. Some gloves. We are going to see how well this works. If the self-tapping screws do not work, well, I will be getting you throw out. So, we want to have it up here, so it's going to catch the gate down there. So we don't want it all the way up here. We want the light to hit here to charge. So, right here, we'll see how it goes. Ooh, that went pretty good. Okay, another screw. Screw. Here. Oop, don't want that sticking out like that without some. This way. That little bit is good. Now, we have more. So, where do we put that up here? So, if we keep turning the microphone around, audio not coming in well. Well, we are going to try up here, next to the bird feeder. And since it looks like it's going to start raining, we might get to try it before sundown. Alright, here we go. We'll put it around here. We'll start this hole first. Maybe not in that one. Well, let's try another screw. Let's see if we can get it to go. get mess ups in real life, and we're showing them on YouTube. Okay, now it wants to work. It's all good. It's all good. We'll raise this up a little bit. That's good. Now, later tonight, we will see exactly how it works. They work. We'll come over and swing to this one. That one up there. Be easier if I just pick up the tripod and show you. That one there. This one down there. And you can see it has the same sensor. It's supposed to go 10 to 25 feet, the paperwork says. So, oh, hello YouTube. That's simple. We will come out later tonight in the dark, see how bright they are, and let you know. And maybe Chef Frankie can tell me how to use this microphone. Well, the light came on when I snuck out the side of the door. Gonna wait and see how long it takes for it to die. There it goes. Okay, now you can see the moon up there. That is the moon. We're gonna walk out over here to the side, and we're gonna see how long it takes for it to activate. Ooh, that's pretty good because we are about 25 feet away. As you can see, that is pretty light. We will walk underneath. That's pretty good. Now the other one is right here. So we're gonna do this. Oh, there it goes. Right there, it activated. So you can see how bright it is. Let me scoot down here to the side. You can see the doorway. And you can see that it lights up pretty good. Both up here. That's lit pretty good. We'll go back under here. There goes the other one, just went off. Now, Chef Frankie also told me to remind everybody, one of the reasons why you don't put that super tight flush against whatever you put it on is so you can turn it on and off if you want to in the back. We had them charged for a whole day. I turned them on before I hung them up, and now that one's still on. There it goes. Okay, now I am over here on the side. It is pitch dark. Okay, so not really seeing anything. I am going to walk over to the side, see how that motion goes. Ooh, right here. And that's how we want it. Right here. That's what you want. It lights up everything. They're the knockoff of the atomic light. They're on Amazon. I am going to post the link to these here. They're very inexpensive for two of them. You can get them in multi-packs. Now let's see how far it takes to get to the other one. We're walking over here on the side, and boom, right there. And that's what you want. From there to there, this whole area. This whole area. You want to hook them up. Now, you could have one down there if you want, but there's really no one able to get down in there. So you can have them in there. Now, maybe one here, which would light up that part down there. But you gotta remember your neighbors. So put that up there. That is bright. That is really bright. You can see on the side how bright it is. Okay, we're standing against the wall. You can see that is good. That lights it up real good. For an inexpensive light, I'd say 5 stars. That is real good. It's motion detector. There's a battery that comes with it in the back, and in the paper it says if the battery needs changed out, you take them out from the back. That's why you do not put these super high up in the air. You don't put them super tight, and you don't definitely glue them. All right, that one's still going. That one's out, and we are going to be ending. Thank you very much for tuning in to the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I hope this review helps you. Please let everybody know. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.